everyone, my name is Ayanda Gumende. I'm here at the KZN SA Gallery at the Bridging Perspective exhibition, which is going to take place tomorrow. I am here with the talented Ayanda Ubizowami, and Ayanda is going to tell us, is going to take us through what is going on and what is going on today and even tomorrow. Ayanda, welcome, my sister.
Thank you for having me. Igama lami Ayanda Gumende. So namhlanje sise KZNSA sizoyenza pre-launch art exhibition called Bridging Perspective. So Bridging Perspective is an exclusive art exhibition where neurodiverse and neurotypical artists are exhibiting in one show. And we are about 48 artists that are exhibiting in the exhibition. And for me, it was just because it's an awareness, an autism awareness. I didn't want it to be the people on the spectrum to be spectators. I wanted them to be included in the exhibition, to be part of the exhibition, not be sidelined. So that is what the exhibition is actually all about: inclusivity, acceptance, and yeah.
Thank you so much, Ayanda. And what really inspired you to all this exhibition and the collection and this artwork and everything? Man, just tell us if you know what is it.
So this exhibition, I'll say I do have the Art Club Foundation, which raises awareness with kids with disability. So one of them is it's also with the autism specifically. It is from a personal experience. My daughter is actually autistic, and in 2022 that's where I launched the Art Club Foundation to just raise awareness on the symptom, or rather the autism itself. Myself as well, I didn't know much about autism, but it led me to understanding and knowing and understanding my daughter. And also through art, I was able to interact with my daughter, because at the time she was nonverbal, and that was a way of us communicating.
Thank you so much, Ayanda. Ndatsho ndayazi nento ye-autism because thina abantu bamnyama zizinto esingazithatheli phezulu esizixelela into yoba izinto ezikude nathi. But xa sifumana abantu abanjengo-Ayanda bethetha ngezinto nathi ufumanisa uba emakhaya nathi we have people about autism, but it's just that asiyinaki lezo zinto. But after this exhibition, hayi ndiqinisekile everybody is gonna be careful now. Wenze sure ukuthi umntana wakho uyamjonga ukuthi wenza kanjani, and then umtholele usizo. Right, Ayanda, ke ngoku what are you expecting ukuthi kuma-viewers xa eze apha kule exhibition azophuma nani or azofunda ntoni?
So what I want the viewers to I'm expecting from viewers is to just gain an understanding on kids on the spectrum, that they should be accepted and also understood on how, because we're not all the same, we are all unique, and knowing how to treat them will make things better for the parents or people around them.
And support them.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Ayanda. Siyabulela kakhulu. We're looking forward for tomorrow, and hope ukuthi abantwana nabo will be here and explore and then learn, because there's lot much to learn tomorrow, I can see. Thank you so much, Sisi. I can't wait to see you tomorrow.
Me too. I can't wait to see everybody tomorrow. There's going to be a sensory space where, especially with autistic kids, they don't like a lot of noise. So I made a safe space for them to, in a sensory space. There is places where they can actually interact with the art, touch, and feel the art. So yeah, I'm really, really excited and happy that it all came to fruition, the exhibition. Yes, thank you.
You are such a blessing, my sister, and thank you so much.